Hello, welcome to Miracle Learning Center. Let us do some questions on algebra. So this one is a distributive law. We need to multiply the 3 into the first one, the second one, and the third one. Okay, I'll do the working over here. A, so negative 3 times 6. So be careful of the negative. Negative times positive, you will actually get negative 18x. Okay, negative times positive, you maintain a negative. Okay, be careful when you have a negative and a negative. You will get a positive sign. So you have a positive, okay? Be careful of this one. Most students usually forgot about this negative. Okay, so 3 times 7, you'll get 21y. Okay, negative times positive, again is negative. 3 times 3, you get 9z. Okay, so it's negative 18x plus 21y minus 9z. How about the second one? We need to do the side first, right? This one, leave it alone. So the 4, multiply in first. Okay, so we leave 8x alone. Minus 4 times 2 is 8x. But it's minus times minus. So it's actually a plus. Okay, if you're not sure, you can just multiply the 4 without the negative. Okay, if you can do it together, that's fine also. Okay, so I'll do it together now. Minus times minus is plus. Okay, 4 times 8 is 32. Okay, but it's minus times plus. So it's actually a negative. So now we simplify. 8 plus 8 will be 16x minus 32. Okay, so that is our final answer. Thank you for joining me today. Please watch our next video for Basic Algebra. Thank you for subscribing to our channel.